Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 9th. The Zen story for today is titled The Shared Meal. It was a homesick kind of evening. The monk didn't miss people, not exactly, but something quieter. The smell of warm rice, the hush of steam rising from bowls, the clink of chopsticks laid gently on wood, the rhythm of shared meals, even in silence. So he cooked, not to nourish, not to meditate, just to remember. A stew, thin but fragrant, laced with ginger and dried herbs, the way he'd had it during long winter nights at the monastery. He portioned two bowls, out of habit, or hope, he didn't know. He set them on the low table, lit a candle, and sat cross-legged in the glow. The clearing rustled, a flash of red. The fox stepped into the light, not slowly, not cautiously, just directly, as if this had been planned. It padded over to the second bowl and without hesitation devoured the content, slurping, chewing, licking the rim clean. The monk blinked. He let out a small laugh, not because it was funny, because it was absurd and somehow perfect. He turned back to his own bowl. Empty. Steam still hung in the air above it, but the food was gone. The fox was gone too. The candle flickered. He sat there a long while, full of nothing he could name. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What does it feel like to honor something without needing to replace it? What does it feel like to honor something without needing to replace it? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, Scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What does it feel like to honor something without needing to replace it? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.